The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has expelled two high-profile members for allegedly bringing the organization into disrepute, while its leader Duduzile Zuma Sampudla has so far avoided disciplinary action. At a press briefing on Monday, Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu confirmed the expulsions, citing the need to enforce internal discipline. However, he did not disclose the names of expelled individuals. Shivambu stated that the decision followed a report from the party's National Disciplinary Committee, which led officials to revoke the membership of two members. One had served in the National Council of Provinces, while the other was deployed in the Mpumalanga provincial legislature. Shivambu said these two expulsions demonstrated that the MK party will not hesitate when it comes to matters of discipline. Deputy Secretary General Nombuso Mkhize confirmed disciplinary proceedings were ongoing for other members, including Zuma Sampudla. She revealed that during a recent meeting, Party President Jacob Zuma insisted that all disciplinary matters be handled strictly according to the party's constitution. She said a comprehensive report must detail the misconduct, specifying when, where, and how it occurred. That report will be submitted to the Secretary General for further processing. Shivambu stressed that the party's core values include unity, excellence, and discipline. He warned against public disputes, saying they erode public confidence in the party, and said the internal disagreements must be resolved internally. There is no space for public discord as it weakens faith in our organization. We must resist destructive conduct and defend our movement with everything we have. He further cautioned that leadership behavior directly influences the party's rank and file, and said if we display division and indiscipline at the top, our membership will follow suit, weakening the organization. The expulsions come in the wake of a jubilant period for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. 2 weeks ago, Zuma Sampudla made headlines after launching a profanity-laced social media attack against Shivambu. She later issued an apology following a letter from Jacob Zuma demanding her disciplinary review. Meanwhile, tensions within the party escalated when the Deputy President John Hlophe and Parliamentary Chief Whip Mzwanele Manyi nearly came to blows after a heated debate on President Cyril Ramaphosa's State of the Nation address. In Mpumalanga, internal divisions became apparent when former party convener Mary Party organized a rival rally against the official event led by former public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, who now serves as the party's provincial convener. While mounting tensions and factionalism within its ranks, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's leadership faces increasing pressure to maintain stability and discipline as it seeks to assert itself on the national stage. Also take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.